Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today is 14th or 15th? 15th. Okay. 15th May 2019. Again we are sitting in a beautiful place. So now we are going to talk on meditation, okay? So meditation means when you connect your mind to a pointed thought or a thoughtless mode. Either a pointed thought or a thoughtless mode. That state of mind is known as meditation. So there are two kinds of meditation. One is unguided meditation and second is guided meditation. Again, unguided meditations are of two types. Unguided meditation by indisciplined, uncontrolled and distracted mind. And second type of unguided meditation is unguided meditation for disciplined, controlled and pinpointed mind. So, and guided meditation are of two types. Guided meditation towards a single pointed thought and guided meditation towards a thoughtless vacuum. Okay. So let us start with basically four types of meditations are there. Unguided two types and guided two types. So if you talk about the unguided type 1, that is unguided meditation by distracted and indisciplined mind, it is very bad because you cannot meditate in fact. Though you try to focus on one thing, a lot of multidimensional factors, opposite factors like pulling factors and a lot of mixed thoughts that disturbs you during meditation. This is unguided, distracted meditation. But if we talk about unguided meditation by a disciplined and focused and concentrated person, so at that time, though nothing guides you, no voice, nothing, no factor guides you, still your mind is always focused and it is good and it is natural. Thirdly, guided meditations with a single thought or a pointed thought. In guided meditation for a single and pointed thought, you need to keep a thought focused and other thoughts should not come in the way. Only one thought you should take and you should go deep inside that thought and you should bring and unfold multidimensional associations and links and networking inside that thought, and finally you draw a conclusion and you put your focus on that conclusion at the end. That is guided meditation. Guided meditation with single thought. Now the fourth one is guided meditation towards thoughtlessness, towards a vacuum. That is the supreme level of meditation. Here, though you are guided at the beginning during meditation out of some commands by yourself or by somebody else, and you will come to a state where your thought will be null and zero. There, you will be thoughtless and you will move towards a vacuum, and there, you will come nearer to the trance level and alpha level. In this level, you enjoy absolute peace, harmony and well-being. So it is said that guided, thoughtless, vacuum meditation is excellent. Second one is guided, single thought meditation is better. Then unguided meditation by disciplined and focused person is good, and the bad meditation is which is not good for you, that is unguided, indisciplined, a lot of thought, messed up meditation which brings no conclusion, and that doesn't help you. Thank you so much for this type of discussion. Now I'd like to take your opinion about this talk, about 4 types of meditation I told. If anyone out of our group wants to speak anything about these 4 types, so you are welcome. Please put your opinion.
Unguided, indisciplined meditation. Is it called meditation or?
In fact, in this world, everybody tried to get something, get a result at the end. So all are trying to meditate knowingly or unknowingly. Okay, we are sitting here and discussing. This is also a guided meditation on a single topic we discussed, all of you. And you are thinking, meditation doesn't mean you will close your eyes. Meditation means focusing and connecting your thoughts and ideas towards a specific goal. That is all about meditation. So, in that regard, those people who are unguided and they keep a lot of rush up, a lot of thoughts in their mind, that is also a kind of meditation. In fact, everything that hill is also doing meditation. This water is also doing meditation. Okay, so everything has a rhythm. So it is a kind of meditation, but that meditation is not fruitful when you are unguided and when there is not output, a specific output. And when something is random, messed up with everything, with a lot of confusion, with a lot of negative, positive, mixed thoughts, that is also a kind of meditation, but that is a negative meditation. So, what is meditation? Yeah, earlier I told, meditation means connecting your ideas or your thoughts, your mind, your intellect to a specific point. But some people, the process is known as meditation.
खुद को दिखना है अंदर से.
Yeah, that is internalized meditation. That is all about pointed and that concentrated meditation, the second type, that comes under that. The internalization of your focus or towards a knowledge or internalization of your focus towards a specific point or a pointed topic. In both these two, the excellent and better category of meditation what I described, in both the categories, we always internalize it. But in the unguided meditation, our focus is open. Senses are open. Okay. Senses are open, focus is open, mind is open. Their discipline is required. That's why it is divided into 2 types. Okay. Guided disciplined meditation, unguided disciplined meditation and unguided indisciplined meditation. Discipline is all about how you bring the track or how to be in the track. But sometimes we are messed up with a lot of thoughts, flaws and manners, and we become confused with a lot of questions, doubts and confusion. So that becomes one kind of indisciplined and distracted meditation. Distracted, unguided meditation. But if we practice the second, third and fourth, like unguided, disciplined and focused meditation, then guided, pointed meditation and guided, vacuum or thoughtless meditation. These 3 are good for our well-being, our health. And the first type everybody does. 99% people are in the first category. Unguided, indisciplined, thought messed up and distracted meditation. And by that they get no product, no output, and they always move around a circle. Kabhi khushi kabhi gum. Because it is seasonal. Because a lot of thoughts will come and they will move around a circle. But the rest 3, they do not move around a circle, they go straight like a ladder. They don't move around a circle. They have development and they have improvement. But in the first category, there is no improvement, you will always be moving around a vicious circle. And it is a never-ending circle and it is a trap where a lot of people they got into. And it is one kind of jal, trap. So we have to be careful about that. That is my opinion. Anything else?
Do you practice every day this excellent meditation and how does it help you?
That is all discipline.
Yeah.
How
See,
long and we should do how
let
long?
me give you some rituals and some how approach to it and steps and solutions to it. First of all, the first type meditation we should not do at any point of time. In our profession, in our work, the unguided, disciplined and focused and meditation means work is better. Work is also a meditation. Suppose you operate somebody, you are a doctor, you operate somebody. So at that time you cannot close your eyes, you have to open your senses opening your senses. You have to be focused and concentrated. Okay, though anything will happen and your guidance may not work at that time. So at that time you should do unguided, focused meditation, opening all your senses, and do the operation, and whatever comes in the way in the course of operation, will solve it better. But at that time you will be distracted, so you will make a lot of problems and errors. Okay, so during our work and activities in our awakened state, we have to do unguided, focused meditation, opening all our senses. What we do right now, it is unguided, focused and disciplined meditation, talking on a single topic. So you should always focus on pointed things and be unguided. By the way, you can solve a lot of problems and challenges, and you'll be more proactive to all situations. Okay, that is the thing.
You have to do that excellent meditation.
Excellent means that your null and vacuum and thoughtlessness, towards thoughtlessness.
By closing guided.
Yeah, that I have already guided thoughtless meditation. That I have already given you. That one auto suggestion I have given you. There at the end of the time you sleep and you don't know where you are. Okay, that I have brought. First I convert into better meditation there, because I give some guidance to a single topic of your well-being and excellence. After that, I started in the second part, like in countdown 21 to 0. From that part onwards towards a deeper place, I started the excellent meditation there. So both the meditation I infused there, starting with guided, pointed meditation to guided, thoughtless and null vacuum meditation. So everybody should follow that auto suggestion and guided meditation. By that, your goal is certain to be achieved. Thank you so much, everybody. Any more suggestions? Okay. Thank you, Neeraj. Kindly turn up the video.